Welcome to this video on India Stack. I am Sumit Khanna. I am Chief Operating Officer for Neev Credit, a education financing company. In September 2010, India set out on a rewarding journey, a journey to provide its citizens a unique identification number. The unique ID number came to be known as Aadhaar or Foundation in English. India Stack is a digital infrastructure revolutionizing access to finance. It refers to the Universal Biometric Identity Program, Aadhaar, along with a suite of open APIs linked to it across 4 distinct layers. Open API implies free to use. Each of the 4 layers of India Stack has specific goals and objectives that they can meet using the strong underlying technology solutions. We'll dive deeper into each of these layers. Each layer has its own goals, owners, and solutions defined. First layer, paperless. Paperless implies documents on demand. Goal of this layer is to power solutions that can easily store and retrieve information and documentation digitally. Its owner is Ministry of Electronics and IT. The product of this layer constitutes 3 solutions: Aadhaar eKYC, eSign, and DigiLocker. Together, the 3 solutions power a paperless ecosystem that verifies, authenticates, and stores information, documentation digitally anytime, anywhere, across any device. Second layer, presenceless. Presenceless implies authentication on demand. Its goal is to establish the identity of a person anywhere across all domains, at any time, to anyone, with consent. Owner of this layer is UIDAI. Its products are DigiLocker and digital signature. Third layer, cashless. Cashless implies transaction on demand. Its goal is to move things into the digital age. Payments and financial transactions need to go cashless, enabling transparency and ease of use, or truly universalizing the access and usage of digital payments. Owner of this layer is NPCI. Products or solutions of the cashless layer are UPI in addition to AEPS and APB. We are going to discuss UPI in detail. Market evolved from low volume, high value to high volume, low value. India felt the need to have a robust system to handle low value and high volume transaction, since the traditional banking system was not designed to handle such transaction. Hence, India developed UPI. UPI is not the first online payment system. Before UPI, we had IMPS, NEFT, and RTGS. UPI gained momentum post demonetization and adoption rate increased, leading to higher digital penetration and financial inclusion. UPI is more successful due to convenience and cost, since it is built on open API infrastructure as a part of India Stack. UPI transaction increased at a 785% CAGR between 2017 and 2020, according to a PwC report. Fourth layer, consent-based. Consent-based implies permission on demand. Data empowerment and protection architecture, DEPA, enabling easy data flow or allowing secure movement of data authenticated by its owners. Its goal is to enable people to securely provide consent for the inoperable data exchange between data providers and data consumers. Owner of this layer is the RBI. Its product constitute data empowerment protection architecture and account aggregation. India's digital growth story. Let us look at the reasons for digital growth in India. Widespread identity formalization. Approximately 1.2 billion enrollments for Aadhaar, which is 90% of India's total population. Banking penetration. Due to Jan Dhan Yojana, 80% of population has bank account. Smartphone penetration. 1.15 billion mobile phone subscribers. Government initiatives. UPI and Sehmati. Now, let us look at India Stack, its key stakeholders and use cases. Banks and FinTechs. Digital banking penetration has doubled and frequency of usage of digital channels have fourfold. India Stack has enabled FinTech startups across payments, lending and wealth management. Robo-advisory, marketplaces, investment brokerage to leverage its platform and build various innovative solutions. More than 50% of all FinTech companies are currently leveraging India's API infrastructure. Google Pay, Phone Pay and WhatsApp payment leverage UPI to partner with sponsor banks to conduct financial transactions. India Post Payment Bank has rolled out Aadhaar-enabled payment services for unbanked and underbanked customers. Government to regulate. Several products have been developed by the government since the launch of UPI. Some of these, such as National Electronic Toll Collection for open road tolling, use new customer technologies to change the way India's population pays. Others, such as Bharat QR, are making it easier for providers and customers to use existing services. NSDL e-governance infrastructure offers DigiLocker that allows users to fetch documents of the PAN card application. Direct benefit transfer. The direct benefit transfer program enabled subsidies to go directly into the beneficiaries' bank accounts seeded via Aadhaar, increasing efficiency and reducing pilferage fraud. Consumers. Consumers enjoy seamless experience. Challenges of India Stack. India Stack functionality works on smartphone and doesn't support feature phone. It requires internet connectivity. Jio is coming up with 5G smartphone meant to replace feature phone. New opportunities. Mr. Nandan Nilekani, the chief evangelist of India Stack, shared a new vision and framework for data consent and sharing, the account aggregation model or DEPA. This architecture really brings India a step closer to being a data democracy. Another initiative is the Open Credit Enabled Network, OCEN, which allows any customer-facing company to plug lending capabilities into its current operations. OCEN enables consent-based access to verified information about borrowers from multiple public and private data sources, leading to seamless credit delivery. When OCEN goes live, India will have built 3 distinct rails or utilities: UPI for payment, account aggregator for data, and OCEN for credit. Government and business can ride these rails to transform the way they work, giving Indian citizens access to faster and more targeted services. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.